Hello and welcome. Today is the second day of March 2017. Welcome. And the silver market is down 3.5% today, breaking down below the support. Next level was the Fibonacci mark in at 1782. Next key level below that is 1739. The trend that supported the 18 average of highs has been taken out, and what would be ideal if it's going to keep this trend going is to extend the range of this trend, as the volatility has just been insanely low. And well, this is the similar test to what occurred last month, where it fell below the 18 average of lows and then it regained that particular low volatile trend after the green candle followed by this one in here to regain its movement. It could do the same thing again. But as of now, how is this going to correct into play? As the situation going through sideways is a possibility. If there's going to be corrections, the Fibonacci marks should give good indication to how things are going to play through. I don't think it's going to be the ultimate failed move. Ultimately, maybe it can make a deep pullback down to what would be the 61.8% level. But this is just the first day. Let's see how this play comes in, because again, the trend could regain. And if a big move happens, I'm not saying it will, and it's definitely a low probability. But I would usually think that it would be a first happening of a play like this first before something like that to take place. Again, unlikely for that to be the case. Will this have a price correction or a sideways correction? We'll have to wait and see. As far as short-term Fibonacci is concerned, this low to this high will be the levels in which will be important short-term. As far as Bitcoin is concerned, question is, and I've heard people talk about, you don't buy stock or any market that's at an all-time high. That's just dumb. And to a degree, this is that's not even an all-time high back then. What they mean by that, or what I think how it works, is when it's up so much, you don't want to buy at an all-time high. However, when this was the matching all-time high, and it's now done this since, this is the breakout to see what the new all-time high can be. So therefore, like the Dow Jones, for example, back in 2000, why are you buying the Dow at 8,000, 9,000, 10,000? Well, how about when you bought it on 1,500 on the way up? A lot of similarities in how you play. Buying at all-time highs in the early phases is the more ideal situation to do such. Now, as this is playing out, price action in at 1275. The levels I've been talking about is roughly around 1300. We'll see how that level plays out. Should be a level where it goes sideways or down a little bit. But if it doesn't, the key areas would be, is it going to continue its solid bull run stage through as it's been doing? Will it maybe find support within the area? Because if it doesn't find much resistance here, it's pretty much on a clear path to its next point of view, which is around 14 3/4. So thank you for tuning in. Take care.